Oh no. Not again. Look at this. This is getting worse, day by day. Okay. Let's see if this helps.
Oh no, not again.
Seriously? It has not even been 1 hour. Okay, that is enough. It was just a leak before, now it is a full problem.
Honey, the sink.
Hmm?
It has been 1 week. I have been asking you to call the plumber.
Yes. Yes, I know. I will call someone this week.
The leak is getting worse. The basket I put under it, it was full. The basket is now a lake.
Full? Already?
Already. In less than 1 hour.
Okay. No problem. I will check it myself first. It is probably something small.
Oh, here we go again. This is how it starts.
What is small, Daddy?
The problem with the sink, Tom.
It is always something small until it is not. Are you going to fix the water, Daddy?
Of course. Daddy will fix it. Easy job.
Easy job? You said that last time. And we got a broken shelf. And a temporary solution. That is still temporary.
That was different. This is just a small leak. Easy. 5-minute job.
Should I start timing or recording?
Laugh now. You will thank me in 5 minutes. I will check it now.
I am coming too! I am the assistant!
Yes, I see the issue. I know exactly what this is.
What is it, Daddy?
Loose joint. I just need to tighten it. 5 minutes, maybe less.
5 minutes? That usually means 5 hours.
Not this time. Trust me.
We are trying. That is what you said about the drawer.
And I fixed it.
After breaking the handle. Should I still call the plumber, just in case?
No plumber. I can do this. It is easy. Where is my toolbox? I left it in the garage.
Should I save the plumber's number? Just in my phone. Ready. I already did.
Let me get my toolbox.
Garage mission!
It is here somewhere. I had it last month.
Is that it, Daddy? The big red box?
Yes. Good eyes, Tom. That is the one. Every problem has a solution. And every solution is in this box.
Wow.
Tom, this is a wrench. You use it to tighten things or loosen things.
It is heavy.
A good tool is always a little heavy.
Why do you need so many?
Because a real fixer needs options.
I want to be a real fixer too. I also have tools.
You already are my assistant.
We tighten the pipe.
Stop the leak. Job done.
5 minutes?
Maximum.
A wrench for tight things. Another wrench for very tight things. And this one, just in case.
Really? Uniforms? For the kitchen sink?
A professional always dresses for the job.
The job is our sink.
Every job matters. Okay, let us begin.
Oh, good. The adventure has begun. That is a very big wrench. For a very small leak.
A good worker always brings all his tools. You never know what you need.
Just check everything first.
Relax. I know what I am doing. This is going to be quick.
Honey, remember the bathroom tap? Last year?
It was different. This is different. This one I can fix. No more questions.
I am ready, Daddy. I am your helper.
Okay. It was just stuck.
That sounds dangerous.
The pipe is a little stiff. That is normal. Old pipes are always like this.
It is a fountain! Daddy made a fountain!
Dad, that is not a small repair anymore. Are you sure you do not want to call someone?
I just need one moment. One small moment. Give me a towel.
It was the first one I found.
This is not a towel. This is a napkin with...
Honey, it's getting worse.
I know! This towel's useless! I'll grab the towel! Whoa! The soap!
Oh no, it's spilling.
Great. Now we have a slippery situation.
Ooh, pretty bubbles. Now it is a slippery fountain.
Careful! Nobody move too fast!
I see it. I see it. One thing at a time.
See? Slowing down. I have got it.
It is still dripping.
Controlled dripping. Completely different.
No, no, no!
This is exactly what I was afraid of! Congratulations, Dad. You upgraded the leak.
Whoa!
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just... Okay. Maybe not fine.
Dad, don't move. Just stay still. Can you move your foot?
I cannot. Not properly.
It is okay, Daddy. I fall down too.
Every day.
Yes, Tom. The bubbles won.
And the cabinet lost. Let me see your foot.
It hurts.
Okay, no more fixing. That is it. We are calling for help. Now we need a plumber, a carpenter, and maybe a doctor.
Can the doctor fix the door too?
No, Tom. That one needs a carpenter.
Then what does the plumber do?
He stops the water.
And the doctor?
He fixes Dad.
Okay. Maybe this went a little wrong.
A little?
I am fine. It is just a small slip.
Mm-hmm. Keep moving. Yes, a small slip that destroyed the cabinet.
Done. Done.
Mild sprain. Rest, no more plumbing.
I was not doing plumbing. I was doing a quick fix. Rest.
Here you go, dear. Let me just put this down. Does it still hurt, Daddy?
A little. But look, the sink is fixed. The cabinet is fixed. The floor is clean. I told you. Easy fix.
Easy? Very easy. Super easy.
Okay, maybe slightly easy.
Next time, we call the plumber first.
Maybe.
Not maybe. Definitely. Daddy? Can I fix the next one?
I was thinking the bathroom tap.
I am saving 3 numbers right now.
Bathroom mission!